You could save big on microbial growth experiments. Ask yourself, how much are you really paying to run growth rate experiments in your lab? High-throughput measurement of microbial growth involves growing cultures in the wells of 96 or 384 well microtiter plates. Culture growth is monitored automatically in a microtiter plate reader that records the optical density of each culture at programmed time points. The output of the plate reader is used to generate growth curve plots, but manually obtaining the actual growth rate, mu, requires 8 separate steps for each well. An experienced person can, with intense concentration, accomplish those steps in about 5 minutes. That means 8 hours for a 96 well plate and 32 hours for a 384 well plate. Assuming $20 an hour labor cost, that means $160 to determine the growth rate for a 96 well plate and $640 for a 384 well plate. These labor costs will add up fast in your lab. There's a better, faster, more economical way by using the GrowthRates program. GrowthRates accomplishes all 8 steps for all the wells, even on a 384 well plate, in 30 seconds. The cost of using GrowthRates is $99 for an annual academic license and $500 for an annual commercial license. If your lab does only 1 experiment per month with an academic license and a 96 well plate, you'll save $1,820 annually. 1 experiment per month with a commercial license and a 384 well plate saves you $7,180 annually. With these savings, an academic license can pay for itself in a single experiment. Save your lab both time and money by licensing GrowthRates from Bellingham Research Institute. You can find us at www.bellinghamresearch.com. Your time is worth it.